To get the most out of your Pro pencil, you want to make sure you sharpen it to a nice flat edge. What you're going to do is take the string and pull it down about 1/2 inch. Now slowly unravel the paper by turning the pencil. Use your finger and support the pencil right here. And go at it nice and slow. Take your time here. Using an exacto knife, you're just going to file it down. Nice and slow, don't rush. The nice thing about the pencil is once you sharpen it once, it's good to go. You don't have to do this every single time. Now I'm going to turn it around and do the same to the other side. Nice and slow, taking my time. You want to make sure that you sharpen it and file it down so it's very slim and flat, like a duckbill. So the edges are going to be jagged, and I don't want that. I want them to be smooth. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to smooth it out on the paper. Kind of like filing your nails. Soften the edges gently and file it down. The goal here is to make it nice and smooth so then you can draw on the skin and draw your strokes. This just takes a little patience in the beginning. And like I said, once it's done, you only have to do it once and you're ready to go. You can use it over and over again. So now what I want to do is just clean it. I'm going to take an alcohol pad and very gently I'm going to clean it off. This will make it again flatter and smoother. When I go to use it, I just alcohol wipe it every single time. It'll be sanitized and ready to go. So now watch and see how sharp and smooth this is. You can draw just like this on the skin.